put my bed together in my van. I wanted it to be really modular so that I can remove the thing completely and still have a cargo van basically here when I'm done. I'm gonna panel the walls and the ceiling, but now we're still running wires and things like that. So I made this bracket here on the wall. So this is secured to the wall, and then this other piece of angle iron, which used to be a bed frame, fits down into it and goes all the way across there to another bracket on that wall, and the plywood holds it up. The plywood's a nice strong leg, effectively. I put T-nuts behind it, and they're 5/16 bolts holding it to that wall. Right there in the middle, it was sagging more than I wanted it to, so I had to drop a leg there. I wasn't happy about that. I really wanted the thing to be suspended up in the air. There in the middle, that's temporary. That's just a 2x4 that's screwed to the two pieces of plywood on the outside. Then there's a piece of plywood on the inside that I'll be able to pick up and move out of the way and put a table in there, and then we'll be able to sit on the sides if it's raining outside while we're camping. Might be easier to see things going on in the back. Did the same thing back here. Screwed that panel to the wall, so that just locks down in there. And again, had to put a leg in it. That's screwed to the plywood right now. I'm gonna go back and make put a leg here, put a leg there that I can flip down, and then that'll stand up when it's in. And if I'm out on the road, and like if we're at a yard sale or something and we see something big, I'll be able to take that, fold the leg out of the way, and then I'll just have a bunch of pieces of flat angle iron and plywood that I can stack up against this wall and still have the majority of the van to put other stuff in. So that's where I'm at right now. You see I'm test fitting everything. I don't know if you can see down in there, I added a little piece of plywood behind it to simulate my wall whenever I finally get the wall panels installed. And hopefully it'll come together and look like something when we're done.